In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to offset an image in Krita for seamless textures. By the end, you'll know exactly how to shift your artwork so the edges wrap around perfectly, which is especially useful when you're building repeating patterns, game textures, or anything that needs clean, tileable seams. First, open Krita and load the image or document you want to work with. If you're working on something important, a quick tip is to duplicate your layer or save a copy of the file so you can always return to the original if needed. Offsetting doesn't have to be destructive, but keeping a backup is a good habit. Next, head to the top menu bar and open the Image menu. From there, choose Offset Image. This brings up a simple dialog with controls for X and Y. These values determine how far your artwork is shifted horizontally and vertically. Positive X moves the image to the right, negative X moves it to the left. Positive Y moves it down, negative Y moves it up. You can drag the sliders or type exact numbers for precision. As you adjust the values, you'll see how your image wraps around the canvas edges. Nothing is cut off. Content that leaves one side reappears on the opposite side. If you're preparing a perfectly tileable texture, a reliable approach is to offset by half the canvas width for X and half the canvas height for Y. That brings any edge seams into the center where they're easiest to spot and clean up. For example, if your document is 2048 by 2048 pixels, try X at 1024 and Y at 1024. You can always fine-tune from there. Keep in mind you can use negative values if you prefer the seam to shift in the opposite direction. The end result is the same. It's just a matter of where the seam lands visually. When the preview looks right, click OK to apply the offset. That's it. The image is now shifted and any former edge joins are visible in the middle. From here, you can continue with your normal workflow, like painting out seams, cloning textures, or adjusting details, knowing that the edges will tile cleanly once you're done. To recap, open your file in Krita, go to Image, choose Offset Image, adjust the X and Y values to position the seam where you want it, often half the canvas size, and then confirm. It's a fast, reliable method to make patterns and textures that loop seamlessly. Thanks for watching and happy creating!